Hey guys, welcome to Trenton's Toy Corner.
What do we have here today?
We have the Ninja Turtles car.
The tactical dump truck.
Kids, this is really cool. You can put the manhole covers right there. You see that, kids? Oh, and I have some other stuff for you to... I also have some other stuff. Watch. Move, Mom. Move. Watch. Manhole covers! Bam! Manhole covers! Manhole covers! Bam!
What's inside here?
We got Leo. Wait, who is that? Is that Leo? Is that Leo?
I'm not sure.
Leo, Raph, and Mikey over here. Can you see Mikey over here?
Yeah.
He's dark. Look, I'll show you, kids. Look, he's right there.
He's working the machine gun.
Yeah, I can see it, kids. And this is also supposed to be the net. I don't know where the sticks to it. I think one went over here. One go over here. Anyways, yeah, this was supposed to go right here. Like that, but well, that's okay. What's up with this phone, Mom?
I don't know. All right. So, what's your review of this toy?
Mom, we're still doing it.
Oh, sorry.
But you can still do this. Bam! Oh no, here comes my doggy. Here. And kids, this is really cool. If you want this toy for Christmas, it's really cool. I got it for Christmas, but not for Santa brought me it. Santa did not bring me it. It was just when some people came to my house.
Your Nana gave it to you.
My Nana gave it to me, and what you can do this. Ow. And you can put these on the back, right here. And you can close these up right there. Can you see the manhole covers,
Oh,
kids?
nice.
Look. And this says, eat shale. Here's the little net I showed you.
Shell.
No, it says eat shale. And here's the little net I was showing you a minute ago.
Cool.
I know. But, and watch. I got some more Ninja Turtles. Come on.
Wait. Say, see you next video.
See you next video.
That was good, Trenton. You did good.